Oh, you got your tools? Show Mommy your tools. Show Mommy your tools. You got your drill?
Let me see your tools.
Got his drill on the ground he brought in.
Is that your drill?
Show Mommy your screwdriver.
Your screwdriver?
Okay, show her how you work on it.
Okay, go help Daddy.
Go work on it. Yeah, put that together. Oh, it's broke? It broke? Try to put it back on. Yeah, put it back on. Oh, it's broke, huh? It's no good? Maybe you should try screwing it on. Use your screwdriver. Yeah. There you go. Try your drill. Maybe you fix it with your drill.
It's the power drill. My mom hold something? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, try drilling it out. Yeah, use your drill. So
Good
cute.
job.
So cute. Jeez.